my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take you along with me on a little side job that I do. I'm going to be staging a vacant house that is for sale, and so I want to take you along with me. If you're new to my channel and you like things like home decor, cooking, organizing, then I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel and click the bell button below, because it'll let you know every time I upload a new video. But let's go ahead and get started, and let me show you around the house that I will be staging. I'm going to be staging today, starting with a clean slate. Den area, office, bathroom, kitchen area, and then over here are 3 more bedrooms and a bathroom. Sometimes when I stage, I make videos of the space and try to kind of solve problems in my head. So that's what I'm doing here, videoing the kind of darkness of the room and trying to talk it out in my head what I'm gonna do. We have this space over here that just seems dark. And while I would love to put a lamp right there, there's no outlet down there. So I'm gonna put a lamp, but not gonna be able to plug it up. There are 3 bedrooms. There's no official master suite. This would be the best room for the queen mattress, but it's the first bedroom you come to, so I don't know if that's good. This one is just another bedroom. I guess I could put the bed in front of those 2 windows, which might actually work. That way I don't have to worry about a picture. I may have just answered my own question. And I was thinking about maybe putting 2 twin mattresses in here. Like a twin mattress here, here, and then a little table here. I don't know. What do you think? Here's the finished product. Walking in the front door, sitting area, just kind of a foyer table, and over here, sort of like a wine bar-ish kind of setup-ish. This is the office. Not much, but you know it's an office. And then in here, turn the light on. And here is the bathroom. This is the main bath. All right. And then here we have the kitchen. Here's a breakfast area. You can see there's plenty of room for an island. And I just have a little bit of countertop decor. Little coffee bar-ish kind of area. No coffee maker, but anyway, so this is the kitchen. And then you go back in here. And I only decorated one of the bedrooms because clearly you know how to set up a bedroom. But here is the private bathroom for the homeowners. And then in here is the master bedroom. So that is the staging of this house. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks so much for spending a little time with me today. I really do appreciate it. Also, don't forget, I'm trying to reach my subscription goal of 700. This is like the next goal that I'm setting for myself. So I would love it if you haven't subscribed yet. I would love it if you would consider being a part of my YouTube family. Don't forget to click the bell button if you do subscribe. Please leave a comment below if you're new here. Say hello. If you are already subscribed to my channel, say hey as well. And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up because it lets YouTube know that you're watching my channel. That will be a big help. And I will see you next time. Bye.